Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate the braised pork trotters with preserved plums. Ingredients are pork trotters, 2 whole pieces, chopped, preserved plums, 4 pieces, star anise, 3 pieces, dried tangerine peel, 1/4 piece, soak into water, mature vinegar, 200 milliliters, light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, dark soy sauce, 2 teaspoons, oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons, garlic 3 pieces, beat ginger 3 pieces, salt 1 teaspoon, Shaoxing wine 1 tablespoon, cooking oil 2 tablespoons, drinking water 600 milliliters. Rinse pork trotters, high heat to blanch for 10 minutes. Pick running water to rinse it and drain. Scrub away the pith. Add 2 tablespoons oil into the wok or pot. Add ginger, garlic, star anise, preserved plums. Turn to high heat. Add pork trotters, Shaoxing wine, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, mature vinegar. Fast stir fry for 2 minutes. Pour 300 milliliters drinking water. Fast stir fry it. Open lid. High heat cook for 5 minutes. Then pour rest of the drinking water. Water level should cover pork trotters. Stir it, close lid. High heat to cook for 45 minutes. Turn off the heat. Simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, open lid and add salt. Stir it, close lid. High heat again. Turn medium heat when boiling. Cook for another 20 minutes. Turn off the heat. Add ginger slices on top and serve. Enjoy!